difficult. I say the most beautiful and the most terrifying thing about being a man is you're born without value. Society doesn't care about you. You're only going to be cared about based on how useful you are. You have the chance to build yourself up and become a superhero if you're prepared to do the hard work and be indefatigable enough to never quit. But if you're going to stand around and wait for a handout, nobody's going to ever respect you. I think that a lot of people have forgotten about how difficult and how competitive it is as a man. We're always in constant competition with each other. And it's your duty as a man to stand up and say, I want to be as important and strong and good-hearted and God-fearing as possible. And I need to work hard to achieve those things. And the dangerous thing about overly emotional men is that they're dangerous. They're genuinely dangerous. This is what's crazy. All these people who talk about toxic masculinity and how bad it is for men to be traditionally masculine. A traditionally masculine man does things he doesn't feel like doing because it is his duty to do that. He charges into the burning building because it is his duty. Not because he feels like it, because it is his duty. We're now teaching the new generation of men that they don't have duty and they can just act on their feelings and act how they feel, and they don't have to act as a man should. Do you know what happens when you get men who just act how they feel? You get school shooters, you get violence. Men who do not control their emotions are dangerous. If you find a man who is stoic, he's not going to hurt people. He's going to sit and think about his actions very carefully, and he's going to be a good man who protects and provides for his family. You find a man who just acts out on impulse and does whatever he feels like, you're going to find a dangerous man. Sitting here telling men to cry more and act with their feelings and it's okay to feel this way, that way, etc., and have no self-control. That is why we have the problems we have in the world. Absolutely not wrong. So when they talk about toxic masculinity, they have it completely inversed on its head, completely not wrong. We need to be teaching stoicism. We need to be teaching young men to understand that the world is very, very difficult. It's hard to be a man. You're going to feel bad sometimes. You just suck it up and perform anyway. Not to sit there and cry your eyes out or blame other people. And when bad things happen, they call traditionally masculine men. If you need a firefighter, you need a masculine man. When you call the police because of the problem you had, you want masculine men. And as soon as a woman or a man is in trouble, when you look for backup, you look for masculine men. And masculine men have a duty to provide and protect those they care about. We have a duty to do things we don't feel like doing because we know we're supposed to do them. And that's why we stayed in the Titanic and died.
The real problem with the world is that there's an epidemic of cowardice, man. Men are cowards. We have an epidemic of cowardice. Everybody is so afraid. It's on the other side of fear that you're going to garner the respect of other individuals. You have to do things that they're afraid to do, meaning most likely you are also afraid. I've done a bunch of shit. I was afraid 87 times before I got in the ring and cage. It's scary, right? I lived a scary life. But by going through all of that, I am now respected. You have to learn to face your fear. I'm not saying not be afraid, because that's not brave. If you do something and you're not afraid, you're not brave. You have to be afraid and do it anyway. That's what courage is. So I'm not saying you can be as scared as you want, but you still have to go. We're living inside of a video game. Because in a video game, you're going to go through trial and tribulation. You're going to struggle to upgrade your character. And the reason you upgrade your character is when you get more stats, you can complete more difficult levels within the game. Life is exactly the same. The levels never end, but as you become better, you stand a better chance of completing them. So as you upgrade your character, you get further and further in the game, but the game never ends. That's the beauty of being a man. All these men are out here complaining that things are difficult. The reason it has value is because it's difficult. If it was easy, everyone would have it and it wouldn't have any value. Complain that it's hard to get a Lambo. The reason having a Lambo is cool is because nobody has a Lambo. How are you going to complain that it's hard to be the man, but then also understand that being the man has value? They are linked. You cannot separate the two. It's a logic fail. If you love the fact, if you love the idea of being that character you dream of yourself to be, then you should love the fact it's hard to become that man, because it means no one else can do it. There's no light without dark. You will not appreciate your six-pack unless you didn't have one and you had to earn it. That's how the world works. So when I talk to these dudes like, oh, but it's, you know what, Tate, yeah, I agree, but you know, it's hard. Of course it is. It's supposed to be. And if you're not cut out for it, then go off and live a normal existence and die. Sit there, letting other men enjoy the spoils of being a man and die. If that's what you want to do, is just sit there and exist and then fade into history unremembered. That's your decision. If you want to level up your character, then you need to get out here and do it. You need to be around brave men. You need to get some balls. You need to get your network together. You do the truth. Humble yourself. Stop sitting there with an ego. Realize you ain't shit. You're nothing but lucky. Bacteria could have stole your eyesight at the age of 3, and it didn't. You could have been in a car crash and lost both your parents. Never happened. You've been nothing but lucky. Blind luck has given you a favorable hand, and you've managed to f*** it up. And they are trying to convince you that you should act how you feel. You should show more of your feelings. If you feel this way, you should show it. If you want to cry, cry. Look, I have no problem with guys crying. Sometimes guys cry, right? My dad died, I cried. I've cried once in 10 years, but it's not a default emotion for me. Sometimes you cry, right? But what I'm saying is the reason they're trying to bring out emotionality in you is because most of the time you don't feel like doing the things you're supposed to do. But the true masculine frame throughout history was doing the things they didn't want to do, but they knew they had to do because they had honor and duty. That's what honor and duty means. Do you think the men on the Titanic wanted to stay on the Titanic? No, we're men. We have to stay. We're scared, but we must. It's our duty to let the women and children on the lifeboats. This is masculine duty. When you remove self-control from men, you get, not only do you get emasculated weak men, but what you also get is very dangerous men. Because the world at large is trying to tell you, just be more in touch with your feelings and everything's going to be fine. Men also have an innate desire, one, for conquest, and two, we have a biological response. We are very predispositioned to anger. You look at all these school shooters and these are men who can't control their emotions. That's all they are.
Facts.
They have no self-control. And then they go and do dangerous. A good man controls himself. I have absolute self-control. If I decide to smash your face in, it was a very conscious decision. Nothing to do with the fact I was angry. You understand? Emotional control is absolutely and utterly important as a man. Now, I'm not saying become a stoic dork, have no personality, be a boring. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that you need to understand as a man, there are certain principles under which you act, regardless of how you feel.
Bam.
I can wake up in a terrible mood. I can wake up sad. I can ache. I can have a busy day, stressed, etc. I will complete the same tasks as if I woke up in a fantastic mood. I'll do the same things because how I feel has no bearing on the things I'm going to do in my day because I have duty to myself and to my bloodline. So a lot of you guys out here are acting like fools because you feel like acting like fools. And what I'm going to say to you is, because you think there's something wrong with you, you go, well, I lack motivation. You hear this one? I don't have the motivation to go to the gym. Well, here's the news flash. Neither did I. And I still did it. So now what are you going to say? Now you have no excuse, right? Oh, you're scared to get in the ring. So was I. I still did it. Scared to get in the cage. So was I. I still did it. Being a man isn't about not feeling things. It's about acting the way you're supposed to act, regardless of how you feel. And I'm tired of hearing guys messing about how they feel. I don't feel motivated. I don't feel. Feel. Leave the feelings to the girls, right? That's what they do. We act. We're men of action. We get things done. That's how the world got built. All of it. All the men who built the skyscrapers felt scared. They did it anyway. You need to become a man of action. Stop worrying about how you feel and start worrying about what you're supposed to be doing.
You have a series of emotions you live with regularly, don't you? Those emotions could be bliss, passion, joy, faith, but they could also be worry, stress, depression, frustration, concern. And because you've done it over and over again, even though you know they don't serve you, you will find a way on a very regular basis to get those damn emotions. The quality of your emotions is going to be the quality of your life.
The Bible says in 1 Corinthians, we are unspiritual when we're under the control of ordinary impulses. And that's the way so many people are today. They just let their feelings run their lives. If they feel like telling somebody off, they just tell them off. They feel like being depressed, and they go around all depressed. But friends, we cannot just act on these emotional impulses and expect to have any kind of victory in our lives. Feelings can get us into trouble. And throughout life, you're going to have plenty of opportunities to lose your temper. You're going to get up some mornings and feel like being depressed. At times you'll get caught in traffic and feel like being impatient, feel like getting upset. But we've got to learn how to follow wisdom and do what we know is right and not just follow our feelings around. I can feel my emotions rising, but I made a decision not to get on board. Just because you can feel those emotions doesn't mean you have to get on board. When you feel like saying something that you know you shouldn't say, no, don't get on board. If things aren't going your way and you kind of feel like being discouraged, no, you've got to learn to discipline the negative feelings and keep a good attitude anyway. It's when we do the hard things in life, that's when God is developing our character. Somebody offends us and we just don't let it bother us. We just take the high road. That's when we're really maturing. But the problem today is too many people are not willing to pay the price to walk in victory. They don't want to be inconvenienced. They just want to take the easy way out. The easiest thing to do is to just let our flesh have its way. If you want to grow up and experience God's best, it's going to take some hard work. It's hard to keep a good attitude and be patient when nothing's going your way. Sometimes it's going to make us uncomfortable. But I read where there are two kinds of pain in life. One is the pain of discipline. The other is the pain of regret. And if we live a lazy, undisciplined life and we act on these emotional impulses, we're going to make very poor choices that we regret later on. I mean, how many times have we acted on our emotions and said something that we know we shouldn't say, and later on it ends up hurting us in that relationship? Friends, the pain of discipline is minuscule compared to the pain of regret. No discipline at the time is pleasant, but later on it's going to bring you a harvest of great things. If you live on that shallow level of just always letting your flesh have its way, and I can tell you later on you're going to have some major regrets. If you allow yourself to just go around being upset, and impatient and stressed out, later on it's going to catch up to you. Later on it's going to affect your health. If you just are loose in your morals and you just do whatever you feel like doing, well, it may give you some pleasure at the time, but later on it's going to cost you a very heavy price. See, God will only promote us as high as our character will take us. And God is not going to put you in a position of greater leadership if you are not treating the people in your life right now with respect and honor. If you're being lazy and not being faithful to do what you know you should be doing, then that's going to keep you stagnant. That's going to keep you from growing. If you had a problem with your temper 10 years ago and you have that same exact problem today, I can tell you that's keeping you from God's best. If you would just do your part and grow up a little bit and quit being ruled by your feelings, if you do that, that's when God will begin to increase you. If you're having difficult times today, instead of getting all bent out of shape, you need to see it as an opportunity to grow. God may be trying to do a work in you. If you find yourself always being around people that offend you and you're always getting your feelings hurt, well, there's a good chance that God is trying to teach you to quit being so touchy. If you find yourself around people that are always rubbing you the wrong way, always irritating you, God is trying to teach you how to love the unlovely. He's trying to teach you a little bit about patience. Well, God, if you just ever change these kids, that's why I'm always upset. No, let me tell you a secret. God is not going to change your children until you first allow Him to change yourself. And instead look inside and allow God to do a work in you. Then God will change the circumstances. Then He'll change those other people. As long as we're not passing the test, then we're going to have to take it over and over again. In 1 Peter chapter 4, verse 12, don't be surprised at the fiery trial that you're going through. It is only to test your quality. You see, when we go through times of pressure, it shows us what we're really made of. It shows us areas we need to improve. And unless we learn how to rule over our emotions, make the right choices, keep a good attitude, then we're not going to get out of that situation. God loves you too much to just leave you alone. He sees your potential. He is going to constantly be pushing you and testing you and giving you opportunities to improve. The next time somebody does you wrong and you're tempted to get upset and lose your cool, no, you need to see that as an opportunity to grow. If you'll keep a good attitude and do the right thing, you know what? You will pass the test and God will promote you. Don't get on board with your feelings. See, we cannot control every circumstance in life, but we can control how we respond to those circumstances. When you feel your emotions rising up, instead of just praying, God, get me out of this situation, God, change everything, no, you need to learn to pray, God, help me to remain calm. Help me to rule over these emotions. God wants us to be stable. He wants us to remain consistent. And the way we do it is to learn to live beyond our feelings. We got to discipline these negative emotions. You do not have to get all upset just because things don't go your way. Make your flesh stay calm. Pass that test. Just walk away. Be the bigger person. Don't allow other people to steal your joy. Keep yourself calm. It's a decision that you have to make. God is not going to make it for you. You've got to discipline yourself. The next time you're tempted to just follow your feelings, you remember God has promised that it is not too difficult for you to handle. You can overcome. You can withstand it. That's what I want you to see today. Just when you have the emotion, you do not have to get on board. When we act on these emotional impulses, it causes us to make poor choices that we're going to regret later on.
All right, man. Yeah. Today we had some stuff for like motivation and like that. So yeah. But man, you have to understand that we should not, we shouldn't give up. We have to try every day in our life. Like today, I'm sick. In the morning, I wasn't able to even speak. But for now, but yeah, I promise with myself I'll stream today. I will give my 100%. I will I will try my best. I will I will give my 100% in front of the peoples. And yeah, that is why man, I'm here on the stream. So we have 3 minutes left, for 2 minutes left for this 4 hour candle to close. We will wait. And if we look at the gold, daily, weekly, monthly, every candle is bullish. So if we look at the weekly candle, it closed above above all these ranges. So if we look at the daily candle, daily also close above the ranges. 4 hour, 4 hour, previous 4 hour candle close bearish, this candle close bearish. So I think we can take a sell there. 1 hour candle, yeah, we have this 1 hour resistance, 1 hour support. So if this candle close below the range, it means this is a 1 hour breakout. So we have same support on the 30 minutes, same support on the 15 minutes. So yeah, so let me see what's going on the left side. So this is a new template. This is the new template that I'll use every day for the stream. So I think we have this beautiful range there, and first target can be, if we go to the 15-minute time frame, first target can be this level. Yeah, I think this is a 60 pip beautiful range. So yeah, 4 hour candle close, 30-minute candle close, let me 203. So 30-minute candle close above the range. So yeah, there is no entry for now, but we have this beautiful wick to fill. Yeah, and this is also a rejection. Look at this. It one day it reject from this area, and for the downside, and today it reject from this area for the upside. So yeah, this is why we always look at the, you know what I like there is, I like this 15-minute candle to close bullish and the next candle to close bearish below the range. Then we'll have a 30-minute breakout, and I think that would be awesome. Also, I'm extremely sick for today. Man, but my throat is like crazy throat for today, but I am still on the stream. So GJ, yeah, GJ 4-hour candle also closed bearish below the range. Let's see if this candle came up to give a top wick for the 4-hour candle, and also this is a 1-hour candle open, 4-hour candle open, 30-minute open, 15-minute open. So yeah, if it came up, came down, we can take the trade with a 13-14 pips stop loss. Yeah, 12-13 pips stop loss, and we can target this wick fill, and again 20 pips. This wick fill. So man, and also tell me one thing. So I think my sound is good. Yeah, I think you can hear me, but now we have a chat box on the screen. We have MT5 on the screen. So this is beautiful. This is beautiful because yeah, if this candle came up, that would be good for me because I'm anticipating first candle to close bullish and the second candle to close bearish below the range, so we can take our entry on the 30-minute time frame. But for now, there is no volume for now. Absolutely no volume. Alright, so yeah, I'm not touching anything in this range. This is no trade range for me. Yeah, this is no trade range for me, so yeah, I'm not looking for anything in this range. Maybe alright, let's see if we can get a closure above. All we need is a closure above, so I think this is a little thick, So let me thin this. Alright, so yeah, now this should be good. Yeah, this should be good now. So we have potential cells. Potential cells close below. Oh, potential buys close above. Yeah, for the beautiful 60 50 60 pip range. This is not red range. Oh, not red range. And looking for some structure. So yeah, this is my day for me. So let me send this analysis to my Discord and also on the Twitter. If you guys don't know my Discord, you can join my Discord. Oh wow. Oh yeah. All right. So yeah, this is good now. Oh man, extremely sick today. Extremely sick today. شكرا الحمد لله. Man, extremely sick. Yeah, but still, and still doing the live stream. This is the best thing I think I'm doing. I'm not care about my health. I wanna be a disciplined man. So if this 15-minute candle close below the range but close bullish, and we can take this trade Yeah, we can take this trade. US30 is doing nothing. So these are just risky sells. So I'll go with a half risk. I'll go with a 20 cent. Yeah, if this kinda close below the range but close bullish, that would be amazing for me. The only thing I like for now. And on gold, oh wow, gold is looking good. Gold is coming down. So if I take the trade on the gold, I'll go with a half risk on the 15-minute time frame. If I found the breakout on the 30-minute time frame, I'll go with the full risk on the gold. So let's see. But for now, I think, yeah, but the thing is, on GJ we don't have much volume, so let's see how both pairs close in 3 minutes. Gold can close above, gold can close down, because this is gold, and gold has its own characteristics. So GJ looks good. If this candle close above, then I'll wait for the 30-minute candle to close below, and I'll wait for the 30-minute candle to close below this range. Yeah, so for now GJ looks good, gold looks good. All I need is a closure. Yeah, and if this gonna break its own low one more time, came up, that would be awesome. Look at the spreads on GJ, man. Yeah, wow, this candle is breaking its own low. Yeah, let's break the low, man. Let's break the low. Yeah, let's see how this candle close in the 2 minutes. I'm looking for both GJ and gold. But wick is very small, man. Wick is very small. I think less than a pip. Let me see. 98. Yeah, wick is less than a pip. I think this candle will close below the range with no wick at the bottom. This is just my assumption, and GJ is also doing the same thing, man. Yeah, nothing. We have nothing. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this candle close with no wick at the bottom below the range. GJ, oh wow, look, man. So yeah, no trade for us. So 30, we have to wait for the 30-minute candle to close. And I'm waiting for the same thing on both candles. I'm waiting for this candle to came up, retest this area, close below. Either close bullish or bearish, but close below. Yeah, and close with a bottom wick. If it closes like this, I will not take the trade. And look at this. This candle had no bottom wick. This is pushing up. So I don't know what gold will do, but the thing I know is when candles have no bottom wick, I will not take the trade at all, man. I don't want to take the trade when candles are closing with no wick at the bottom. Yeah, I'm not looking for anything. Yeah, I am not looking for anything. I'm just waiting for the next 15-minute candle to close. So yeah, let's see, man. So did someone take a sell there, man? I don't know, but this is not my plan. This is not my playbook. So GJ, yeah, I'm looking for buys above this area. But also these are risky sells, man. I said it before. I don't wanna lie with you. These are risky sells, and I'll go with a half risk in this very small range. So wow, this is the thing I like. Gold has to go up, break its this candle high, came down, close bearish or bullish, I don't care, but it has to close below the range. Yeah, it has to close below the range. GJ, for GJ, this candle has to come further up. Yeah, further up. Yeah, further up. So potential buys close above. Potential buys close above. No trade range for me. No trade range. Yeah, this is no trade range, and potential sells close below. Alright, so yeah, I'm looking for sells here, looking for buys above this level. This is no trade range for me. Gold is doing what I want from gold to do. Yeah, gold is doing what I want from gold to do. It is doing the same thing. It is coming up. I think it will come up furthermore. Yeah, man. So now you can see why I don't like candles that close with no wick at the bottom, and why I don't like candles that close with no wick at the top. What happened then? This candle closed with no wick at the top. This candle, next candle came down, man. This candle closed with no wick at the bottom. This candle came up. You have to understand this reality. You have to understand this, man. You have to understand. 30 minutes looks good. on the GJ. Oh, and also stops are also good. If we, oh wow, this is a 1 hour breakout, man. We have this week to fill, but stops are, yeah, man, not very bad. And we can keep our stop loss at this point and wait for the candles to close. And as long as the candles are printing bearish, we can hold the trade. Yeah, this is the only way. And also this candle has to break the low high of this candle. That would be amazing. All right, gold looks good. We have 9 minutes left for this candle to close, for the 30-minute candle to close. Let's see how this 30-minute candle close. If gold came down, create a bottom wick, then came up, close bullish or bearish, that would be good. Nice setup. Please loud, too low eyes. Alright, so now I think it is good. And now you can see your comments on the screen. Wow, Usman भाई वॉशरूम में से बाहर आके बोले भाई साहब जितना नज़ला ज़ुकाम हुआ पड़ा है ना, बोला तो जा ही नहीं रहा. But still I'm doing this, man. Still I'm doing this. So yeah. But I have one section that is you can see on that section nothing above the chat box. This is for the camera section. And yeah, in future we can do the live streams with camera, but I think we need 100 subscribers for that, at least 100 subscribers. So when I got 100 subscribers, I'll came with a camera, man, with a beautiful setup stream. Then we can have everything, like we can have our chat box, we can have our MT5. And one more thing I want to say is, traders came on the stream with trading view. I am on the stream with a MT5. This is the difference I want to show you, man. This is the difference. You can also see my trades that I took. You can also see my time frame, and I know you can't see my this section, but I don't think so this is important for you. I have some pairs here are my accounts, but you can see my trades there. Yeah, whenever, oh wow, look at the gold. What was your initial account when you start trading on this account? Man, this was 5,000. And look at this, why I don't want to take the trade on gold. This is the reason. So yeah, this is good. I think this is good. This is good. Oh wow, this is like this. As I said before, this is no trade range for me. That means if candles are printing bullish here, I don't care. What I want to see here is, what does that mean? What does that mean of looking for structure to execute trade? What I want to see here, I want to see, oh wow, now we have, I think, a little, no man, we have the same topic. So I want to see here is candles to printing bullish, and the one candle to print bearish, and the next candle to break the high of that bearish candle, then we can take the buy. So other than that, I don't think so we can take a buy there. And I want this setup on the 30-minute time frame. I don't care about the 15-minute. So yeah, this candle is try to close above. So now this is the good top wick. This is the good top wick for the 1 hour candle, for the 4 hour candle, for the 1 hour candle, for the 30-minute candle. If this 30-minute candle close below this range in the next 4 minutes, then we can take this trade. Yeah. And if you think you can judge the trader with its like winning and losing. No man, it is not about winning and losing. There are people in this industry that has more IQ than us, that have more exposure of trading as compared to us, but man, they are losing. It is not about winning and losing, it is about learning. I'm here so we can learn together. That I want. Like, I see traders, they said this, yeah man, I had the hard time, then now I am a good trader after 3 years, 2 years. I want to spend that 1, 2, 3, whatever it is, I want to spend that years with you, man. Like, listen, if after 2 months or after 3 months or after 6 months, if I said, man, I learned everything from sitting in front of the charts, looking at the charts every day, it means if you came to my stream every day, it means you have the same exposure to me. You have the same exposure like me. Like the exposure that I have, the exposure that I am getting from the markets every day, the exposure on God if candle close bullish and break the highs of the, no man, because look at this. You have to understand this. We know we are bullish for the day, but look at this. This is the 1 4-hour candle, this is the 4-hour candle. Like, why we want to take the trade on the 30-minute time frame? Because 30-minute time frame is the strong confirmation. If the 30-minute candle close bullish, it means the next candle can go up. If the 1-minute candle close bullish, this is a weak confirmation. It doesn't mean we can go up. But if the 30-minute candle close bullish, it means we can go up. But if the 4-hour candle close bearish, how we can anticipate this candle to came up? Because the 4-hour is bearish, and as long as this candle doesn't break the high of this 4-hour candle, I can anticipate this a top wick of the 4-hour candle. And what I want here is I want okay, let's see, let me create a zoom link, and let me take the annotation part, and I can show you that annotation part. I think if you can see the annotation part, I can show you. Yeah, I can show you that annotation part. Screen share, annotation. Man, how? All right, so yeah, we have annotation there. Let me check if you can see the annotation on the screen. So what I'm doing here is we have this color. Let me see if you can see this color. It means you can see the annotation. No, I don't think so, because I am only showing my MT5, and I think MT5 is important for you. Yeah, MT5 is important for you. Yeah, you can see the annotation. So yeah, let me end the meeting of the Zoom. First I have to remove this. So yeah, end the meeting of the Zoom. So yeah, what I want to see here is, because we are bearish, we are coming down, and we did create this new low, so there's a high probability this candle can reject from anywhere, because this can be a 4-hour top wick like this. This candle came up, but it rejected from this area because previous 4-hour candle was bearish. So this candle did not break the low of that candle, try to fill that wick. Because of the low volume, it didn't fill the whole wick, but it did fill some wick. But now we are anticipating pre-London to show us some volume and close the candles below the range, so we can, on the 30-minute time frame or on the 1-hour time frame, so we can take a sell to fill this wick, then it can go wherever it wants. This is the thing I'm looking for. Alright, so look at this. So now this is a fake out. This, and also one more thing, we are coming down on the GJ from 2-3 days. So yeah, GJ makes sense to take a sell, but I think, alright, so I want to say one more thing. Whenever moves happen like this, there are chances the whole moves corrected in the next day or next 2 days. So this is our range. Let me see where we can, this can be our target. Yeah man, we have same target. We have this wick to fill. This is a 46 pip range. Let me and for buys, I want to take buys above this level, and let me show you. If we look at the clean range, we can find that we have a clean range there. Oh, I think we should go. So, alright. What if candle keep going bullish? Then what about the wick fill? There is no certainty that the wick has to. Yeah, but we have to go with the higher confirmation. Why we are here on the charts? We are looking for a higher confirmation. We know this, it can go up, it can shoot at the 2024, it can go to the 2024. But where is the confirmation, man? Where is the confirmation? We are looking for some confirmation. So for now, as for now, confirmation looks good for the sells. We have no confirmation for the buys. I know it can go up. Man, look at this. There are 50-50 chances for candles to go up or go down. But we are looking for 75 or 55, 25% chances. We are looking for setup that tell us, yeah, if candles close below the range, then we can say that, yeah, it can go up for the there is a high probability it will go down. So look at this. This is the range that I had. If candles close above the range, then we have 54 pips first range, and this is a clean range. Even though on the 15-minute time frame this is a clean range, we don't have any area, and this is the second range. This is also another 36 pip range. So man, alright, so yeah, one thing you have to, oh wow, look at this, man, look at this. What you wanna say about this, man? What you wanna say about this? It came up, reject from this area, came down. Still, I'm saying that it has a 50% chance to go up, it has a 50% chance to go down, but we are looking for high probability setup. We don't want 50%. We don't want 50% chance. We don't want a confirmation that has a chance of 50% to go up and 50% to go down. But the one thing I know is if the 1 hour candle close below the range, if the 1 hour candle close below the range like in 24 minutes, then we have a higher chance for the next candle to come down. We are looking for high probability setup. We are not looking for, yeah man, we can take a buy. No, we can take only whatever market wanna give us. Other than that, we can't take anything. We have to wait. We have to wait for the market. What market wanna give us? Trading is not about what we want. Trading is about what market wants, and we have to swim with the big fish. We can't. Do you think if like we all, man, look at this. If someone take a buy there and he has his stop loss there, like, all right, so yeah, let me say, someone take a buy there, and now he is in a like 13 pips in drawdown. So do you wanna that guy? Do you want that guy? I'm not that guy. I am prefer to wait for the setups that has the highest probability to go down, that has the highest probability to go up. I am looking for a breakout here. Yeah, I'm looking for a breakout. This is the thing I am looking for here. And pre-London volume can push gold down, so yeah, I'm looking for that thing. I know someone can take a sell there if this candle breaks the low. Someone take the buy there, and now he's in a drawdown, and now if he stopped out, he is trying to so buy. Looking at the 4 hour, are you anticipating that the candle will go bearish? Yeah man, this is the thing I'm talking about. Because if the 30-minute candle close bullish, you are anticipating for the next candle to go up on the 30-minute time frame, and we know 4 hours confirmation is much stronger than the 30-minute confirmation. We know if the 30-minute candle close bullish and the next candle can go up, we have to understand that we have 4 hour candle close bearish, so it can go down. And previous 1 hour candle close bearish. Man, look at this. Previous 1 hour candle close bearish. No, I'm from Pakistan. I am from Pakistan. Pakistan. Yeah man, I'm from Pakistan. It is not about Pakistan, India. It is about humanity. And we are all human, so yeah, there is no difference between Pakistan and India. If people wanna, yeah, some politicians try to gain some like vote bank to create this kind of fights, but if we look at the people, they love from both countries, they love each other. If they met Indian in like England or Scotland or Canada or USA or Australia, they are living in the same room. But are you taking any course? Are you taking or giving? I don't know. I don't know, man. What are you talking about? Taking or giving? But if you wanna, if you are asking about any course I am providing, no, I'm not providing any course. This is the course in front of you. This is the live stream in front of you where you can learn that I have learned in the last 1 year with hello brother. Oh, now my brother came, man. Now my brother came. Hello man. Ali, I am very sick today, man. Extremely sick. So if you want, I can send you a link to talk with me, but you have to watch the charts on the YouTube. We can talk on the Zoom. So because today I've changed everything, like you can see the templates, everything is changed. So now I think you can't see anything on the Zoom. So this is why if you think, if you want, then I can create a link for you in just 2 minutes. So yeah, gold. So like 10 minutes before you were looking for buys, and for now you are looking for sell. Man, look how weak is your what we say, your bias. How weak is your bias? 10 minutes before you were looking for buys, and now after 10 minutes you are looking for sells. How weak is your bias? I am also watching your stream from home. Oh man, you know what, when I start to stream, if you go to the start of the stream, I wasn't able to talk, man. I wasn't able to talk, but I promise myself I will give my 100% how much I can. But yeah, but now I am giving my 100% on the stream, and I will give, man. I will. And tell me, how do you like this new template or not? And I create everything on my own, man. I create everything. Now we have like before the stream I'll play a motivation video for everyone for the like 8, 7, 8, 10 minutes. Then I'll came on the stream. So after that we will doing the stream for like 3 hours, 4 hours. Like today I'm sick, I don't know for how my time I'm on the stream, but in future I'm thinking of doing the stream like 3-4 hours. And yeah, and when we got the like 100 subscribers, when we will have like 20 to 30 people watching on the stream every day, then I'll bring the camera. You can see my one section that is empty above the chat box. So this is empty, but it will never empty in the future. Where in park? Let me see this because I have, yeah, where in park are you from? I think this is irrelevant to your success. This is just my opinion, man. This is irrelevant to your success. Let me tell you one thing. Let's suppose if I said to you I am from that city, so how it will gonna help you in your trading journey or in your success? So you have to focus, your question should be how much experience you have, And your question should be how much percentage, how many analysis you give on the stream, what percentage the analysis might have made from, let me, because there is a heart here, so that is why I can. Alright, so might have made from there. No man. You know what, from where I belong there is a harm here. So yeah, I said it before on the stream, this is like Larry of the Punjab. So that was the Larry of the Punjab, but now everyone is good, everyone is like, because after the chorus people are getting slower and slower. GJ fake out. No man, this is no trade range for me. And look at this, how much is this range? 18 pips. And how much we can anticipate this? 20 pips. And our this is the first problem area after 3-4 pips. Then after, if we look at this is the 7 pip. So if we look at the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame is bearish. If we look at the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour is bearish. If we look at the daily time frame, daily is bearish. If we look at the weekly time frame, weekly is bearish. If we look at the monthly time frame, monthly is bearish. So you want to take the trade on the fake out on the 30-minute time frame, man. I wasn't anticipating this. yeah, but I think we can take the trade after this kind of close below the range. Yeah, I think it break the low of this can. Yeah, now it break the low. Now it can close with a good bottom wick and a body. So yeah, oh man, yeah. You can see this candle tried to close below, but it rejected from this area for like 13-14 pips. This is why closure below is very important. So just 18 minutes before, people on the stream were talking about this buy, and I said it can go down, it can go up. There is a 50-50 chance. I am not looking for 50-50 chance. I am here to look for 80-20 chance, 75-25% chance. I'm not looking for setup that tell me. And this is just, I think this is just gambling. That was just gambling to take a trade. After every bearish candle take a sell, after every bullish candle take a buy. Yeah, and also there is zero to no volume on the GJ. Like what we moved in the like 1 2 3 4 5 6 in the last 3 hours, in the last 4 hours we moved 13 pips in the last 4 hours. So it means this candle is trying to came down. It means yeah. And if this candle close below this range, this 15, that would be amazing. Because if we look at this is not a 10 pip range or 15 pip range. If this candle came down, gives us a good bottom wick, that would be amazing. Because we still have this range, we still have a 36 pip range, so we should not care about the range. The only thing we care about is this candle to close below on the 1 hour time frame, on the 30-minute time frame. So yeah man, I had this 46 pip range. Alright, so yeah, there will be a trade, man. So on US30, So let's do some analysis on US30. I'm looking for buys above this level. Oh, what happened, man? I am looking for buys above this level, looking for sells below this level, and also I want to say one thing. I'm still new on the US30. I don't recommend people to take the trade on US30 with me. Are you trading in funded? Yeah, man, I'm trading in the funded account. Alright. Oh, I don't know why it goes there on the 30. Yeah, now it looks good. 46 pip range. Do we have 46? Yeah, 46 pip range. We have 46 pip range. So everything is good. We have 8 minutes left for this candle to close. And guys, I want to say one thing. Please leave a like on the stream. So if you gives a like on the stream, that will help us to all right. So yeah, we have 4 people that are watching on the stream. So yeah, man, leave a like on the stream. So I don't recommend any prop firm, I think, because man, listen, I don't wanna like, alright, so let me tell you one thing. When I did the live stream first day, I really wanna give the trade, and I give the trade on the live stream, and price action was shit. I force a trade, I lose that trade with that like 10 pips, and I don't know what's going on with me, and I was very nervous, and then I was sad for the rest of the day, because I was not sad because of my loss. I was sad I give a bad trade on the live stream. So after that we took like 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, and all the trades were good. Yeah, all the trades, every analysis was good. So this is why now I am looking for a quality setup. I don't like quantity setup. So like you said, which prop firm do you prefer? I said I don't prefer any prop firm, because like if you lose your money, man, then I'll be the source of information. Because of my like words, if you lose money, that will hurt me, so that is why I don't recommend any prop firm. I don't recommend any like what we say this like Dominion Markets is a broker. Yeah, I don't recommend any broker, because I know if they do anything wrong with you, that will hurt me. So this is why I don't want to recommend everything. But yeah, if you can find a good setup, a good prop firm, then you can go with that prop firm. But as I want to say, like FTMO is a big name in this industry, and if you wanna open your own account, you can open your account on the IC markets. On the IC markets, the man, my throat is like, you can open your account on the IC markets. And the one thing I don't like about Dominion market is, man, spreads are crazy on the Dominion market. Most of the time it goes to like 4 or 5 pips. Oh no, 3 pips, more than 3 pips. And like if you wanna scalp like me, and you are looking for 10-15 pips, and there are 3 pips spread and 1 pips in commission, what you will earn? What you will earn, man? Oh, wow. Yeah, man, this is good. If this candle came up, create a, oh, wow. Wow. So congratulations for all guys who took the buys there, and if they had their stop loss there of 20 pips, now they stopped out. So this is why I was not interested in the sales. But one more thing I want to say, as long as the candles are closing away from the range, away mean like this is our range and this candle is away 15 pips away from the range, there's a high probability the next candle or the next candle retouched this area, then came down. So let's see where this candle closed. So we have to understand this. If candle close like this, then we need a wick. We need a steeper top wick. I can't afford 20 to 23 pips stop loss in the counter trend trade where we have at 27 pips total range. There we can take like 15 pips. Yeah, in the 27 pips range we can take easy 15 pips. If we are looking for more pips, then I think it is not good. It can be risky. So yeah, I think this candidate is trying to, yeah, as the candles are closing away from the range, and this is the thing I learned from the Raja Banks. Raja Banks, he always said, whenever candles are closing away from the range, it means there is a high probability the next candle will retest this range and then came down. Like market always move like this, came down, retest, came down. Yeah, market always move like this. So either this retest can be a candle close, or this retest can be a top wick of for the next candle. If the next candle came up for like 12 pips, 10 pips, 12 pips, then we can and break the low, then we can say that this thing now done, now it is time to came down. So this is the thing I'm looking for there. And on GJ, let's see what's going on the GJ. GJ, man, look at this. GJ is doing nothing. GJ is like, this is a 29-minute candle, and that is just 4 pips. So this is why I wasn't I don't want to take trade on the GJ. Yeah, buys make sense if this candle close above the range. Buys make sense. I'm not saying that buys not make sense, but I'm saying that buys make sense if this candle close above the range. Then there will be a high probability we will go up. So yeah, this is good. This is the thing. But I think if this candle came up a little more, and one thing I want to see here is there any news? 11, no news. Alright, so yeah, we have a clean. Oh man, this candle close very small wick, very small bottom wick. So yeah, now okay, that was our range. That was our range. This candle close 18 pips away from the range. So now there's a high probability it can retest this area. It can retrace and then came down. So I want to see a retracement in this candle wick or a candle closure. Yeah. And now this is a little risky trade. Let's see if this candle came up then we can look for a sell, then we can look for easy sell. Do you risk 1%? Oh man, what broker do you, man, 2.5% risk is crazy. I always risk 1%. Yeah, I'm not a gambler, I'm a trader. So yeah, I think 1% is enough for me. I don't care about people. 1% is enough for me. And on trades like this, I don't wanna risk 1% on this kind of trades, because man, if you look at this, I don't think so this is a good trade. If this candle came up, then break the low, that will be an amazing trade. Other than that, I don't like this trade. If this candle breaks the low, where I can have my stop loss, this stop loss 5 pips, no man, you are taking the trade on gold. 5 pips is nothing on gold. Yeah, GJ doing nothing, US30, wow. So yeah, US30 doing nothing. So trigger, man, trigger, TET, TTE, TET, no, yeah man. I also learned too much stuff from Nick, man. He's, oh wow, gold is pumping up, wow, oh wow. Holy, let's see how much is our stop loss. Yeah man, now it is good. I'll go with the half risk. I think this is a risky trade, so I'll go with the half risk, 0.5%, 0.5%, yeah, I'll go with the half risk. Or I think we can wait for this 15-minute candle to close. If this 15-minute candle close bearish, oh wow man, wow. And the one thing is, yeah man, Nick can take the 2.5% risk, because now he is down I think 8%. So it makes no sense for me to take that kind of risk. But yeah, if it is suitable for him and he is trading, man. And he, yeah, but man, if it works for him, everyone has his own trading style. And the thing I know is, alright, so now we have our like win, loss, BE, monthly record. We'll have our like total trades taken. So I think there should not be any problem. In the future we will see anything. Oh wow, we have 16 pip stop loss, 0.2 0.5% mean. Yeah, I think I can take this trade with my magic keys. Alright man, alright, so let's see what happened there. Alright, so yeah, guys, this is a risky trade. You have to keep in your mind this is a risky trade. So what's going on? GJ doing nothing. US30 looks like US30 is rejecting from this area. So yeah, I think we can wait for the 15-minute candle to close. I don't want to keep a big stop loss, because I don't wanna I wanna keep an eye on my risk to reward. So yeah, Like if I can keep my stop loss like 25 pips and I close everything at 10 pips or 12 pips, it means my risk to reward is very bad. So I have to manage my risk to reward, so that is why I wanna keep the stop loss above this candle. For me, I think so. Let's see how when this candle close below, break the low. Let's see, man, let's see. So we have 5 likes. This is good. This is good, man. This is good. I appreciate this. Yeah. So this is about to break the low. Yeah. And one thing I wanna say, I don't use sell stop. I always market execute. Yeah. Because I see huge slippage on the market pendings, so I always prefer market execution, not market pending. So I'll go with the half risk. If this candle break the low of the previous candle, then I'll go with the half risk. So this is a risky trade, man. This is a risky trade, very risky trade, but yeah, volume can push this down. Volume can push this down. Now we have a good breakout. We have a good top wick for the next candle. If this candle breaks the low, then I'll go with the half risk. This is a risky trade. So if you want to take this trade, it is up to you. I'm not forcing anyone to take this trade. Yeah, I'm not forcing anyone to take this trade. If you think this is a good trade, then you can take this trade. Alright, I'm in this trade. Yeah, I'm in this trade. So let's see what is the high of this candle. Is this candle, wow, this candle closed below the 2000. Alright, so yeah, now everything looks good. I have 14-15 pips stop loss. Let's see how it works out. If it works out for us, that would be good. If it stopped us out, that will also be good. This is a playbook setup. We have a breakout. This candle came up for a steeper top wick. Now it breaks the low of this candle. So yeah. So, and one thing I wanna say to you, man, always don't care about the outcome. I see people, they care about the outcome. When they took a loss, they feel bad. When they took a win, they will be extremely good. They will be like, oh man, I took a buy, I took a win. I'm not like that. I'm not like that. If I took a win, that would be awesome. If I took a loss, this is trading, man. We have to understand this. This is trading. So we have to ready for the take the loss, and I'm ready to take that loss because I know this is a little risky trade, so I go with the half risk. Just if you think this is a good trade, go with the full risk. If you think this is a bad trade, go with the half risk. It is not about winning and losing. It is about anticipating the market. So yeah. And one thing why I wanna use MT5 in front of you, because I wanna show you how trading looks like. How trading looks like. So yeah. Let's see how this 15-minute candle close. Now everything is on the 15-minute candle closure. So yeah. Now you have to manage your trade. Sell stops is this Yeah, man, sell stops activated, it doesn't matter. If you didn't get slipped, you should be good to go down. Yeah. If sell stops activated, then no problem, man. We are up 5 pips. So there shouldn't be any problem if sell stop activated. So yeah, man, this is everything is in front of you, man. I wanna show you everything. So let's see how this trade works. If it works for us, that would be awesome. If it not, that will be also good. We can't blame the market, man. This is market. So we can't blame the market. Yeah. So yeah, 6 pips, 7 pips, man. What else you want? If you wanna close something, you can close. If you wanna move your stop loss to break even, you can move your stop loss to break even. Oh wow, man. Wow. 7 pips. 8 pips. Wow. Wow, man. So yeah, now I think we can move our stop loss to break even, or full TP will hit, bro. Yeah, man. Let's see. Let's see. So this is why I was looking for sells. This is beautiful 8 pip trade. Yeah, 8 pip trade. So if you took this trade, that would be awesome. If you didn't, no problem, man. Because market always moves like same. This thing happen every day. So if we took a loss this time, we will take a win next time, man. Because every setup has winning trade, some losing trade. So this can be a losing trade for us, or this can be a winning trade for us. It is not about winning or losing. It is about sticking to your plan. Execute whenever you see your setup. Execute on the trade. I know this is a risky setup. This is a little risky setup because this candle like this candle close away from the like 18 pips away from the zone. So yeah, it can reject from this area, but I'll wait for this 15-minute candle to close. Yeah, we have 1 minute left for this candle to close. Yeah, I'm risking nothing here, just 0.5% risk. So let's see how it works out. In which program do you have funded account? Man, you are asking the same question, man. You just have to take this trade with me and make some money. Go buy something good for your family. Go buy something good for your mom. I think that would be good. Yeah, it was 8 pips up, but I think we have half minutes left for this candle to close. Let's see how this candle close. If this candle close weak bearish, then I'll cut this trade. I'll close everything. If this candle close good body, oh my lord, I'll move my stop loss to break even. I'm moving my stop loss to break even. Oh wow, man, look at this. I don't know. Oh moving my stop loss to break even. So yeah, if this candle break its own high, I'll be out. I will be out. Oh wow, man. Yeah, I'll out, because look at this. This candle closed weak bearish. So yeah, that was a little move. I think that was 8-9 pips move. So yeah. So if you are in this trade, it's up to you, and please just drop a W. Just drop a W for me, man. Just because not for this, like I give this trade and it goes like 8-9 pips, just give me a W, because we see our setup, we execute on our setup, and this is it. And I manage this trade because it already moved like 40 pips. So yeah, if it goes like 10 pips, then I can close half there or something. But if you are in this trade, this is a good setup. If you are in this trade, what's going on you on GJ? GJ is doing nothing. Yeah, GJ is doing nothing. US30 close right at the spot. So gold, gold, gold. Let's see what gold will do, man. But that was the trade. That was the trade. Let's see. Let me trading view. Can we see the trading view? Trading view. Oh wow, we have W. Oh wow, man, we have W. Now we have W. So man, wow, man, wow. Yeah, man, love you guys, love you, love you. Wow, gold is dropping. You are giving the W and gold is dropping. So let's see. Let me do one thing. Let me so these so yeah, man, this is for you, this is for you. Yeah, this is for you guys. So yeah, if you are still in this range, this is good, man. If you are still in this range, because the thing I know, because I wanna say, all right, so one more thing I wanna say is, I am here, I'm not here. Yeah, you can take trades with me, you can make some money with me. It is, yeah, it is free. But the thing, just came on the stream every day just to learn, man. This is a free university. You are paying to your colleges, your schools, and at the end of the day, you just take your like degree in your hand and you go to every company, man. Give me job. But after graduate from this university that is in front of you, you don't have to go to anyone. You don't have to go to anyone. You just sit at your home and you can print. You can't make. I'm talking about you can print money. This is money printing machine. So first you have to focus on the learning. And I'm not saying I'm a pro trader. I'm just a trader who take every trade whenever my setup shows up. And I always take the trades on my setup. And now it should be up for like, yeah, 7-8 pips. It should be, you should up 7-8 pips. If you see one more push at 10 pips, you can close half or you can close full. It's up to you. Yeah, and now you can move your stop loss above this candle. Now I'm in profit. TB for the, oh man, it yeah, oh wow. Now you should be up for 11 pips. So yeah, now you can move your stop loss to break even, or you can move your stop loss to above this candle. Yeah, you can move your stop loss above this candle. So yeah, now this is 10 pip trade. So if you look at this, man, you can say that this is a good trade. 11-12 pips. So guys, let's see if we can find another setup on gold. And if you didn't took that trade, what you are looking for now, if you think, just suppose you didn't took that trade, what are you looking for now? What are you looking for now? I'm looking for some kind of retracement and then create a resistance there, then take a sell, and that will be waiting for oh yeah, this is nice, man. This is nice. So let me this is nice. Wow. Yeah, and you can manage your, oh wow, 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 13 pips. So guys, leave a like, man, leave a like to the stream. That will be more amazing for me, because it will help more people, because you know about the Google YouTube algorithm. Whenever YouTube algorithm uh, see some likes on the stream, it means Google algorithm understand. I'm looking for onion, bro. Could please show this to all. Yeah, onion is this what I'm looking. I'm saying that onion means this candle has to came up, create a support or resistance, then came down. This is an onion play. I think now you should only look for TP, full TP. Yeah, man, that was our full TP. Let's see. Oh wow, 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 wow. Oh wow, 17 pips. Oh, 18 pips. Oh, volume, 18, 19 pips. So man, wow. I think I can wait for like to move my TP stop loss to break even. Yeah, I can wait. Yeah, man, 20 pips trade. Congratulations for everyone who took the trade and still holding. Congratulations, man, congratulations. Beautiful 21 pip, 20 pip trade there. Yeah, 21 pip, 20 pip trade. So guys, let's see if it hit our TP. See, 26 pip TP, and this is running, oh, 24 pips. And let me do one thing. I think this is for everyone who took this. This is for everyone who took this trade. Yeah, this is for everyone who took this trade. Oh wow, man, good. Yeah, because I think if you like wait for that 2 pips, you can miss this whole move. So yeah, it is good to secure some. Yeah, good, man, good man, good. So yeah guys, today was a good day for me, because yeah, I was sick, extremely sick in the morning, and I can't even able to speak, but I came to the stream. I really wanna give some knowledge. Let me drink some. Yeah, and guys, also subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so you can find the notification whenever I go to the stream. Yeah, so yeah. Wow. So yeah, congratulations everyone, man. So yeah, look at this. As I said, if you are looking for these 2 pips, you can miss the whole move. So it is better to close, man. Congratulations, trigger W. Yeah, man. Yeah, this is good. So this is why, look at this. Why I didn't took the buy there. That wasn't my plan. That wasn't my playbook. That wasn't my setup. And in the comment section, I see people, I read comments, people were saying like, oh man, this is a buy, why you are not looking for buy. Man, now you can see, now you can understand the reason why I was not looking for buys. Now you can understand the reason why I was not looking for buys, why I was looking. And if this kind of close there, man, close at this point, then I can do the 2 things. One thing, I can keep my stop loss this, and then one thing is I can keep my stop loss previous candle on the high of the previous candle. Second thing, range is like 37 pips. From that range I can take easy 20 pips. And the third thing is, so there are less chances for the next candle to retrace this area. Like Raja Banks always said, if candles are closing, as long as the candles are closing away the range, there's a high probability for the next candle to retrace this area and then came down. So this is why when I see the candle close like weak bearish, I was seeing that, yeah, maybe there's a less volume in the market, so that is why it is going up. So yeah, man, that was a good trade, that was a good setup, that was a good trade. So make sure to come to the stream every day. It will help you a lot, man. You can learn too much stuff from this trade that I learned in the last 1 hour. Oh, I think, yeah, nothing. Mamba fucking. So yeah, we don't have any news. So yeah, we can wait for this. We can wait for some setup. We can wait for some setup. Let's see. So oh wow, man. So let's see what happened there. GJ doing nothing. Gold is rejecting from this area. That is why I had my TP there. Let me show you one thing why gold is rejecting from this area. Look at this rejection. Yeah, this rejection is at this point. Look at this rejection. Look at this rejection. Look at this rejection. Now you can understand why I have my this line on at this point. This is the reason. This is the reason, man. So I think when you can draw this kind of levels, man, I don't think so. No one can beat you, man. No one can beat you. So yeah, 30-minute candle close with a big top wick and small body. We have a 8 pip body. We have 15 pip top bottom wick. So it means selling volume is dying. Oh wow, this candle close above the range, but it closed with no wick at the top. So whenever candles close with no wick at the top, I'm not interested. Oh, wow, man, wow. So yeah, US30 is a good setup, but candle close with no wick at the top. Candle has no bottom wick, no top wick. So this is not a good trade. This is not a good trade. So GJ closed with no wick at the top. I don't know why candles are closing with no wick at the top. I don't know. Man, weather is changing these days and it is crazy. Oh, oh. Wow. Wow, wow. So let me do one thing here. I can pop out that chat there. All right, so let me wow. So let me do one thing here is let me put this trade on my story. So all right guys, so yeah, we took this trade as this candle break its own low. First it came up, break its own low, and as this candle this trade goes in like 8-9 pips in profits, I move my stop loss to break even, and the next candle stopped me out at break even, and then it came down. I took this trade on live in front of people's, and some people took this beautiful trade, full TP hit pro, W, and yeah, W. Now I am in profit. Thank you for the quality trade, waiting for full TP smash, and yeah, congratulations everyone who took this trade. Man, that was the day. This is how we took this trade. I got stopped out at break even. I think I can wait for like some 2-3 minutes, but it is what it is. We should not care about the outcome. As I always said, we should only care about, we see our setup. If we execute on our setup, it means we did our job. So yeah, man, that was good. So man, yeah. Bro, look, Euro USD. Alright, so yeah, let's see what's going on. I think yeah, if Euro USD, if this candle closes below this level, then we can anticipate to fill this wick, and the stop loss will be like 10-9 pips. It is not about yeah. All right, so yeah, I am yeah, trigger brother. which time frame you want me to analyze this Euro USD chart? Tell me the time frame, then I can analyze this for you. Yeah, tell me the time frame so I can analyze this chart for you. Gold 30 minute. All right, so yeah, 30 minute is in the range for now. 4-hour candle. All right, so we have support on this level and we have resistance there. If we go to 1-hour time frame, we can see this. Here is the resistance, here is the support. If we'll go to the 30-minute time frame, how these wicks look like. So how much is this range? This is 20 pips, 21 pip, beautiful range. This is, oh wow, 24 pip range. So I think this is no trade range for me. 13 pips, 13 pips, 14 pips, and buys close above the range makes sense. Sells make more sense for me. I think you can wait for this candle to close below, this hourly candle to close below this range, then man, if this 30-minute candle close below this range and the London Open, it can easily push this Euro USD to came down. Yeah, so I think it is better to wait for this candle to close below this range. That would be amazing. Yeah, and don't touch the Euro USD in this range. I don't think so this will give you some money. This is no money range. This is money printing range. This is also money printing range. So yeah, okay bro. And if we look at the US30 moves like 10, 12 pips, 13 pips, but because this is not my setup, because this candle has no top wick, so yeah, if it moves like, we have how much range we have on the 15-minute time frame. If it moves like 50 pips, if it moves like 85 pips or 74 pips, I don't care. And we should not care about this. I think we should not care about this. Yeah, because this is not our setup. So yeah, let's see. So let's see how we can find another setup. Now we are hunting the trades. If this candle close above the range, then I'll not take the buy. I'll wait for a bearish candle, and the break of the bearish candle will be a buy for me. Yeah man, I put this on my story and I think it is good. Now it is good. Yeah, now it is good. So I think I'm here on the stream for the next 20 minutes. If we can find the trade in the next 20 minutes, wow, yeah man, this is good. and this candle also not close far away from the range. So yeah, let's see if we can find the trade in the next. Oh wow, gold is pushing down to fill this wick now. So I think someone said on the stream first, why you can say that it will fill this wick. Let me see that coming. Why would you not take a trade on gold if candle close bullish and breaks the high of the previous candle? Why, man, why? Now you can find the answer. Now you can find the answer. And what if the candle keeps going bullish? Then what about the wick fill? There is no certainty that the wick has to be filled though. Man, now you can find your all answers. All time trader. So by looking at the, yeah man, yeah, now you can find the answers from this Usman Trading Floor University. This is a university for you. This is a university for you guys. So yeah, why, I don't know why. All right, so yeah, let's see, man, if we can find. Oh wow, the thing I like is this is how candles filling the wicks when times of volume. Yeah, candles are filling the wicks in times of volume. And I think I can keep my stop loss above this candle for the 5 minutes. Then as this candle break its own low, then I can move my stop loss like 5 pips. Oh wow, now it is about to fill this wick. We have, all right, we have filled this whole wick. Now we have filled this whole wick. So as I said before in the live stream, it has to fill this wick. After that it can go wherever it wants, but I'm not care about that. I'm care about that it has to fill this wick. Now it filled this wick. If someone has TP at this level, his TP also smashed. Yeah. So wow, US30, why you are doing this? But that was a beautiful trade, beautiful setup. Everything was beautiful on this trade. So wow, man, we have 15-16 pips stop loss. And the one thing I wanna say, I always care about risk to reward, man. Risk to reward is very important. There was a time when I called this, no man, risk to reward is not important. No. But now I think, I'm not saying that 1 to 25 risk to reward, 1 to 10 risk reward. I really don't believe when people say, yeah man, I took the trades where there is a like risk to reward is 1 to 10. No man, this is not possible in trading. So every day you can find the trades on like 1 to 10 risk reward, man. Why you are not a billionaire? So the thing is, it is not possible, but you have to keep your risk to reward at least 1 to 1. So that was a beautiful 1 to 1 trade, beautiful 1 to 1, even 16 pips 24, yeah, 1 to 1.5 risk to reward trade. So man, this is the thing I wanna do every day on the live stream. This is the thing I wanna do. So I think, yeah, we have nothing. Alright guys, so yeah, I'm gonna head off. And yeah, as you know man, my health is not good. I'm very sick, extremely sick. I'm not able to even speak good, but I have to came to the stream, I have to take the trade in front of you, man. I wanna talk, man. I wanna be a disciplined person. Yeah, this is the discipline. When you don't wanna do something and you still do that thing, this is the discipline. And I wanna be a guy who will be an extremely disciplined person. I wanna tell you about trading. I wanna tell you about life. I wanna tell you about psychology. I wanna tell you about fundamentals. But I will do everything when I have like at least 20, 25 people on the stream, man. Why I require 20-25 people on the stream? Because when 20-25 people came on the stream every day, they come in, they ask questions. I like to answer all the questions of the people. Yeah, that is why I wanna. So yesterday I'll be back on the stream, inshallah. So for now, I am saying goodbye.
Counterfeit, I want the realest. Where you come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so cool inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light gon' shine on me. Ain't no hiding up, gon' fight it in your peace. Hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins, for me keep bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. I just altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he come. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Yeah, I just turned a million down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it. Don't get it. I was so back when my bank account was done. Cause my God is the type to leave the negative to get the one. This is life with that. I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I praise Nike with the run. Make my heart be one like Hezekiah. Say it and it's done. Breakthrough. Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things to make the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the Father. But I know you're in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. to your altar. Wash away my shame.